Good evening. This is J Mark. So we would like to be talking about Legend. So Legend is a text animation app whereby you edit your apps, then you do a lot of things. So I would like to show you the app which we call Legend. This is Legend. This is the app Legend Intro Maker. So I will click on it, but before I click on it, let me take you to the step whereby you download it. Let's turn on my data. So I will turn on my data first before I start any process, because I want to go and download Legend app. So I want to teach you how to download Legend app. And I go to my Play Store. Let me show you my Play Store. This is Play Store here. And to iPhone users, you use your App Store to download Legend. Just press Legend. So here I'm on my Play Store now. Then I press Legend Intro Maker. Then I click. So I would like to show you the app before you download it. This is Legend Intro Maker. This one with L, the logo is L. So I will click on it. So because I've installed my own already, I've downloaded it already. So you click on download. Then when you download it finish, you click on open. So the app is loading now, because I think the app only use data to work, because all these apps of graphic designing, they use data. So I would press my start button. So you and what you write. So I would like to, if I want to edit this word, I'll edit it like this. I click on this, I click on the background to bring out this keyboard. So I cancel them. So I would now like to write to become someone in life, you have to let me make it in a form of, okay, you have to hustle in a legit way. I want to make my first letter capital, in a legit way. So I'm done. So I wrote, to become someone in life, you have to hustle in a legit way. So I press my done button. This is what they call done button. This is done button here. Then I click on it. So I press this. Let me show you so you understand fine. I click on this play. When you're watching film, you press play and pause. So this is the play. So I press it. So it brings all these 8 accents. Then you press close. So you choose the way you want it to become, maybe in form of quote, like motivation. We have display. Maybe you want to begin something, then you make it the first thing. You can make it in form of lines, then bring out as if you want to show something new. Then a lot of things are there for you to use. We have in form of letter to become. This one makes sense a lot. I like this one. So this one too. We have a lot and a lot more. So, and apart from that, let me teach you something in this Legend app. We have a lot of color in them. Make it a lot of color. It changes it by itself. It makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. I like it. It's lovely. So to make it, maybe you don't want to make it in form off. So you have to then you choose, let me tell you that to make it bold, clear, and some other things like that, I would advise you to choose, you press this button. Let me change the background so that you can understand what I'm pressing. Let me change the background to white. So I've changed it to white. So you press this button, this thing here. When you press it, then it shows a lot of size format. So for you, maybe you want to save your space and everything like that. You want it, the more you want it to be sharp. I prefer you using this 1080p for the size to make it make sense and fine. Because for this 512 it won't be clear. This 720 is still manageable, but this one makes sense a lot. This square form, if you want to make, maybe you want to make a video, then we are still going to that one video. We are using InShot to do all these kind of things, making things of logo. So that is all I would like to tell you. I will be giving you guys assignments. So the last thing to save your video, or to make, if you want to make it a GIF, or you want to make it a form of video, I prefer you using it for video. In case if you want to make, maybe you want to do a video for somebody and you want to make an intro for it, like something like that. So you have to just click on this button here, as if you want to save something. This is the button, then you click on it, then it will bring, if you want to save it in form of video or GIF, then choose this GIF. Understand what I'm talking about? Choose GIF. So when I click on it, it will save as video. So I'm waiting for it to work now. So AdSense will come in, then you cancel it to start loading by itself. I don't know why it is doing like this. I've saved it before. Okay, it has shown something here. That story saved as MP4. That is the 180 I'm talking about. So I believe you guys gained something from it. So now I would like us to do our own this very night. I wanted to post it very early, before 7. Yes, before 7. So I'll post it now for us to use it. I want to see what you can do. So the best person in this class be given a prize, a token. So new things to still come on this night. I think we can still work on InShot this night.